Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I have a new trading strategy which I'm going to trade for you over 7 days. I will tell you about the indicators we're going to be using, show you a few examples. This strategy involves one trading indicator, and it's the currency strength indicator. So guys, if you want to support this channel and receive exclusive access to all the strategies we've backtested so far, please check out our Patreon's page. We will also have a Discord live chat, which you can use to ask any questions to the community. The first 30 people joining the middle tier will automatically have full access to the top tier at no extra cost, allowing you to send strategies for me to backtest. So I've seen a few of you have joined already, so thank you so much. I will create a video similar to this one you're watching and present everyone with the results. Please consider having a look at the first link in the description, and I hope to see many of you on the Discord community. The currency strength indicator is a technical indicator that determines the relative strength of currencies. Real-time exchange rates are used to measure the aggregate comparable strength. Simple meters may not have weighted calculations, while more advanced, like this one, use the weighted factors. In addition, our calculation method shows the direction of the change. The algorithm looks at the previous 24 hours to calculate overall strength and combines all the currency pairs associated with a currency. And usually the data obtained as a result of calculations are displayed as a chart. So this strategy is based on the 5-minute time frame on Euro USD. So here's the strategy. We go long when the Euro line slope closes above the USD line, and we go short when the Euro line slope closes below the USD line. And this is based on the fact that we are trading on Euro USD. We place the stop loss at the last swing. We don't have a maximum number of trades that we can have open at any given time. We will use a variable risk to reward ratio with a trailing stop loss. So that means that when the open profit reaches 1R, we move the stop loss by 1R. So let's get on the charts now so I can show you a few trades, and then we'll go ahead with the trading. All right, so here we are on the Euro USD charts on the 5-minute time frame. We'll go ahead and add the currency strength indicator. So you can see the one that you want to use is the one from Cool Charisma. You just select it and then you let it load and you go into the settings. And here is where you're going to select the currencies that you want to show. So essentially all I want to know is the relationship between the euro and the dollar. So I'll go ahead and change the colors so that it's a bit more obvious and click OK. And so the strategy is, if the red line, which is the euro line, crosses the white line, which is the USD line, from below, we go long. So in this case, for example, here, the red line crosses from below above the USD line, so we would go long right here. Essentially, you would place a long position after this candle, place the stop loss at the last swing, and then ride the wave with a trailing stop loss. So here, maximum open profit reached 2.75. You would have moved your stop loss to 121, and you would have been stopped out right here. And then here, for example, the red line crosses the white line below, so you would go short after this candle, and then you would go long again on this candle right here. So let me show you a couple of more trades, and then we'll move towards the trading. So here are a couple of more trades examples. So you've got the red line, the euro line crossing above the USD line, so you would go long, place the stop loss at the last swing, and this would have been a loss. Then we go short after this candle when the USD line crossed above the euro line. You go short, this would have been a loss. You would go long again right here, and then you would go long here. That's a loss as well. And then the next cross is on this candle. You go long right here, you place the stop loss at the last swing, you ride the wave until a maximum of 5.48. So you would have moved your stop loss as far as 1.4, which gets stopped out here. As you can see, it can get quite messy, but you can catch really big moves. So let's see how it performs over a week on the 5-minute time frame, and I'll see you for the results. So there you go, guys, the results of the strategy on Euro USD using the currency strength indicator. We had a maximum drawdown of 15% while risking 5% per trade with a variable risk to reward ratio. We had 36 wins, 41 losses, and 23 break-even trades with a maximum of 2 wins in a row and 2 losses in a row. We had a win rate of 47%, which is pretty good over 7 days, with a total profit of 184.8%. So that is an amazing weekly performance. You know, if you would have started with $10,000, you would have ended up with almost $30,000 at the end of the week. Granted, there were a lot of trades, about 100 trades throughout that week. I think most of the successful trades could have been during the trading sessions, during the London session or the New York session. This is when the price was the most volatile. So let me know what you guys think. If you think, you know, I should backtest this on the daily time frame or on a, you know, higher time frame than 5 minutes, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.